Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions moved against my name. Speaker sir, while speaking on all these cut motions, I would like to bring to the attention of this House that many of my earlier demands are still pending. I now at least sincerely hope that these demands, what I raise, will be a reality by the next session. Speaker sir, Maksa, we have to admit, आज गोया we are a touristic destination. Goa is famous and भरपूर tourists आता might be आमगेले Indians or foreigners, but we have to admit that in transport we are lacking far behind. And transport here not only for tourists and even for the locals. Because सांग कित्याक म्हणटा कित्याक जेन्ना हांव केपेंच्या मतदारसंघासून येता I know the reality how people face difficulties. Because sir हे लोकां हाटीन जाले लोकल्स हाटीन. But मुगे कानी LEQ आल्लो LEQ 19 and what reply I have got from the minister is that 5 buses club busing भुरग्यांक are still pending. I have that reply. आणि हे तुका हांव न्हू 3 वर्स पयलीं मागिल्ले Vivekanand Higher Secondary School Badli. They have 2 buses from Badli, Bendude, Barsoi, Subdole and Khodde, Padi. Then again one from Mayana, Kaure, Ambavli till Bali for this colleges. Magi amgele Bali PT our last Maksa 3 वर्ष honorable आमगे chairman बाप उल्लासा को मागोता एक बस हम दीची मुंटिंगा because एकूच बसा which caters to almost 200 odd children and तो 5:30 भायर स्वता 3 trips माता so तो driver मेळोले पाट मागिता सर बस केदोन येतली. So this demand is a genuine demand. And भुरग्यांक आनी honorable म्हाका chief minister सांगता 3 kilometer मुखार बस वचपना हे सगळे कायद्यान सांगता. But one bus if we cannot give for the past 3 years to a school is in fact a very what this na sad state. तसे लोक विश्वास स्कूल आमगेले केप्यां तेमी एक बस मागताय. म्हाका the honorable member of parliament but captain through then we asked and we have got almost 3 buses. आमगे एक नावेलीन दिली आनी मगे मतदारसंघान 2 येताय. But at least this for the students तुमी करे ट्युरिस्टांक सोड म्हणटो मागीर कॉन्टेक्ट अशे आपणागे पावतले लोकांकूय मेळना जाणटे लोक आमगेलो वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम ST area where they cannot afford बाबा टॅक्सी मारपाक ओ पायलट मारपाक रिक्षा करपाक. So please at least for education sake and for locals आमगेल्यांक ह्यो buses तुमी म्हाका दिसता ह्यो दिवपा जायो. I don't know how this government is running without this basic facilities लोकांक. Speaker sir, आता हे buses आहे क्ला buses I have got a demand हांव जेन्ना आमगे मतदारसंघ ऑफिसान बसतालो हे तांकां बसीसां तुमी अटेंडंट दिनात म्हणजे स्कूल बसीस आहाय तांकां जस्ट सी I don't know how it fits in that but तांकां भुरग्यांक तांकां चडोवपाक आनी देंवोवपाक there are no attendants and becomes a risk. Parents are worried. So just see this attendants are there in those buses. I don't know how you all have to fit it, but I urge the government to give them this facility, attendance, bus attendance for the mostly school students. Because when the session started, I had asked for a demand, guideline calling attention for a shuttle service. And honorable chief minister assurance दिले कि 2 दिवसां भितर आपण ते notify कोता आणि bus घात म्हणून from the KDC bus stand to the district hospital. आज लोक सकाळ येता सोना लोक चलोन येता. Just see that at least 2 small shuttle buses are provided from KTC till at least only for the morning session. Evening naka सोड. कोणाको रिक्षा मान हाते रिक्षा येतले पायलट येतले बट गरीब लोकां म्हणजे भुरग्यांक पासां घेवन येताय. I again request कित्याक जात जाल्यार हे मातशें स्पीकर सर हे तुवें करपा जाय. Speaker sir, I had asked honorable आमगेलो chairman and minister also last session ते खोलासून वास्को एक डायरेक्ट बस वयताली. ते लोक म्हाका ती कामां जायत आनी भुरगीं वयता आमगे खोला till वास्को. Please see that if you can reach it. That bus was there. आमगेले बस आसली कदंबा तितून बंद केल्या from Saleri to Vasco. So please see that if you can again get this bus in action. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता आमगेली bus stand आनी you had given me an answer saying that bus stand which was proposed in Kepe actually there was nothing there. कोणे तरी बिस्तो नाल फोडलो आनी केल्लो म्हूण. But there are 2 bus stops in Kepe. Market एक 2 bus stop आहाय. And under CSR I was supposed to do it but I have not got the NOC. If you can take it up and even if you give me the NOC of this 2 bus stops in Kepe town, I will do it under CSR. एक मार्गांव वचपाचें एक सांग्यार कुचोरे वचपाचें. I have got a person who is ready to do it. So please give me NOC. I will get both the bus stops done. So in the market. Yeah. So I will be grateful to you. The municipality against openly and they are not ready, cooperate ready. So if you give me a NOC, I will see that both the bus stops are done within next 3 months. Because आम्ही थिंगा आमगेले पायलट आहे आणि रिक्षा बावूय आहे. पायलटांक आम्ही आमगे स्वतः पैशान एक बारीकशें शेड केल्ली आणि ती लोक मोडपाक वतालो. कित्याक because I was getting the credit. In the similar way, there are rickshaw brothers आमगेले आहे. त्यांका एक रिक्षा स्टँड जाय थिंगा. It's covered place. See if you can get this thing done. Speaker sir, आता almost one LQ म्हाका मेळ्ळा. There are almost 261 road accidents. झाले याच फर्स्ट क्वार्टराक व हाफ इयरली. स्पीकर सर इन ऑलमोस्ट 1.20 वायलेटर्स आय आर बीन बुक्ड. आनीक म्हाका दिसता हे जावपाचें कारण आमगेले आय एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग द गव्हर्मेंट. म्हाका दिसता बट गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू बी व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. आमगेले पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट RTO हांकां म्हाका दिसता एक असली हें दिवपा जाय so that these people don't take police or the RTO for granted. कित्याक लोकालो निर्दोष लोकांलो जीव वयता. and one of the major thing is rent a cars. इतले ते रात चलयताय आणि म्हाका दिसता there should be some proper guidelines. I am not against rent a car, but some guidelines when they are giving it to rent a car. आमगे एकले बान सांगिले म्हाका दिसता एक आमगेले कलिकान सांगला की हे rent a car when I also visit to the airport हे rent a car घेवन पयले येताय. आणि then I will be coming to the taxi brothers तेंगले issue, but a rent a car they have to have a special place where from there the guest comes. Because I have a hotel, I am into a hotel industry. Airport aso neta sona guest rent a car घेवन येताय. So but आमगे taxi भाव कोतो कितें. So we have to frame proper guidelines. हे rent a car खुंयसून पिकअप करपाची व खुंयसून तेंगे जाग दवरपा ते कार घेवन येताय थिंगा एअरपोर्टार पिकअप कोताय आणि आमगे टॅक्सी भाव कांय मेळना. So this has to be streamlined. म्हाका दिसता हें तुवें करपाची गरज आसा. स्पीकर सर, when we talk about taxi brothers, I am into hotel industry. आनीक आमगे दाजी बाबान सांगला तेंगे वायट दिसता म्हूण आनी he feels pity on this taxi brothers. म्हाका दिसता आमी तेंचेर pity करपाचो आनी तेमकां दूख दिवपाक वचना. They have to get their right. आनीक गोवा म्हाका दिसता हें brand Goa has been done by this taxi brothers. आनीक हांव जाणा how they work, केस कोन काम करताय ते. So these aggregators तूं भायले हाडपाक वता, you give a second thought. All this year that confusion is going on. आमी तेंकां हें सकयल दाखयताय जायत पडी कोण म्हणटा माफिया कोण म्हणटा आनी कितें. बट सी दॅट दीस पीपल आमगे गोंयकार जे आहाय तेंकां तुवें रस्त्यार घालपा जायना. प्लीज बिकॉज दिस टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स दे आर रियली वर्किंग हार्ड. 10 रुपये सुबेग आहा उणी आहा दॅट्स अ डिफरंट इशू. बट हे सगळे एग्रिगेटर्स तर येयले म्हाका दिसता भरपूर वायट जातलें. वी आर आमी तेंचे अन्याय करतले. सो प्लीज सी दिस टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स आमकां रस्त्यार येयलो नाका. हिंगासून थिंगसून ते भोंवताय. एंड फॉर वॉट? दे आर जस्ट आस्किंग देअर रायट. तेंकां कितें हक्का मेळपाचें गोंयकारपण आहा तें मेळपाचें सोदताय. हॉटेल येयलीं सगळे कोस्टल एरिया हॉटेलीन तांकां सांगिल्लें बाबा तुमी हिंगा धंदो कोतले पोट भरतले. नॉट एवरी वन कॅन बीट हॉटेल्स. थोडेको जाते हॉटेल बांदताय. सो दे हॅव टेकन टॅक्सी. सो त्या टॅक्सी भावांक आमी रस्त्यार सोडपा जायना. सी दॅट दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड. स्पीकर सर, हांव मुद्दम एक वस्त सांगता. आय डोंट नो हाव इट फिट्स अँड हू हॅज डन द टेंडर. आमगेल्या एअरपोर्टासान भायर सरता हे जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स आहाय ते पे पार्किंग कितें घेताय ते गोंय हे सगळे भायले. आय डोंट नो मिनिस्टर्स अँड द चीफ मिनिस्टर शूड लूक इनटू इट. हे गोंयकारांक दिवपा मेळना. आनी ते इतली सुबेज उलयताय थिंगा आमगे ते मोठो स्टिकर चोवन ते आमकां सोडटाय. बट दे आर व्हेरी एरोगंट. सी दॅट दीस टेंडर इज टेकन बाय सम गोवन्स जे पार्किंग आनी तेंगेले पयशे घेताय ते गोंयकारांक ते गोंयकार आनी ते सगळे भायलांटींक बोलो आहाय. बट यू मेक अ थिंग नो एअरपोर्ट गोंय न्हू दाबोलीं आमगे गोंयकारां जो मेळना. मेक अ प्रोविजन दॅट गोवन्स टेक दिस टेंडर्स. नाव देर इज अ थिंग आमगेलो ट्रान्सपोर्ट आहा बाळ्ळी कंटेनर डेपो आहा.
Authority of India, the center decides that we have no say whatsoever.
Honorable Minister,
not a single pi income comes to Chikalim Panchayat. I have been fighting all these years. ते कोणाचे ऐकना. नेवी दुसऱ्यांचे ऑब्जेक्शन काढता. व्हडली घरां बांधता ती हायटीची. तेंची व्हडली हायटीची बिल्डिंग आयला. कोण विचारता ते म्हणटा वी नीड नो परमिशन. So what am I supposed to do?
Honorable
something like that airport thing.
Sir, Honorable Minister, why we are here? We are elected. We are lawmakers. You make a law. तू इतले सिनियर मिनिस्टर आहा. समज तुका जायना जाल्यार कोणाको जातले. गोवा एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी दे कॅनॉट बॉस ओवर द जमीन आमगेली सगळे आमगेले त्या बायलेनीक धंद कोताले. सो यू हॅव टू टेक अ स्टँड. नो वन एल्स. आम सगळे न्यू फर्स्ट टाइमर्स. You have been a senior MLA, senior minister. You have to take a stand. You have to tell the government to get double engine. Unchu tuglia, sokolu tuglia. Ya tu kor and genu. You cannot just pass the buck saying that it is with the airport authority. You have to make a law. Say that this is now. I'm telling you that container depot in Bali. तो अंगे बायले transport आमगे. No, but you see, end of the day, we are here to protect the interests of Goans and Goinkar Pond. So I feel that the government who is there now, present government, has to take a stand that Goans have to be protected. That is my main concern. Speaker sir, when we talk about industries, Magzosta, definitely as a MLA, I have felt the pinch. Madar, itli amgele bhav, jane Magzosta, itli ST amgele, we have population, a huge population, but the Sogles employ. But main concern is employment. Anik muddam sangta, there is a big convention center coming in ONGC, a huge convention center. Of one center will be almost catering to 5,000 people. Itli olle, and there will be almost 400 plus vacancies. In fact, I have put my demand in ONGC. But to, as Sarkar, tunga inga yahan tinga, you all have to also press that J tender ONGC Ajmukar Ratai have to be given to Goans. Yeah, I'm getting advertisement to sign. Advertisement out of the state, that Delhi is at the other states, and they come and take over. And even Muni's workforce like the Bailatai. Just see that this new project which is coming, a big convention center next year, I think Honorable Prime Minister also will come inaugurate the Energy Week. The big convention centers, big facilities which are coming in ONGC, all these jobs have to be given to Goans. If we are eligible, Amna, then they can take someone. But first preference has to be given to the locals. Because sir, IDC land, and it's a one step what I have heard that government is proposing a skydiving project. We are in the opposition to get ruling. Let us speak. No, it was decided 20 minutes.
The time is already up.
No, 20 minutes.
If each of you all want to speak 20 minutes, it will not be possible.
Let me speak.
Please wind up in 2 minutes. I'll call out the next name.
Because sir, yeah, for IDC that land, Magzusta, to proper use for which can good industries, which can create employment in my conscience. Speaker sir, depart together itung panchayatik Magzusta magripo answer 65 vacancies are still pending. Gram Sabha get together secretary kam kutai. See that they are put in place. Speaker sir, as most of the members have said, together panchayat workers I think 7th pay like. They had come to me also. 7th pay Magzusta salary ye due pass because last 10 years, 12 years they are working. Just see that you fulfill their demands. Common cadre to bharpur paile to approve gelo on paper, but Magzusta common cadre you all are not going. Just see that this common cadre is in force. Kita hoddo I think dadagir kotai. ते मासे चोय किदा को ते तिंगा सर घोट झाले एक एक मगे पंचायत 8 वर्षा 9 वर्षा सेक्रेटरी आहे. जस्ट फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम विच पंचायत रूम देम ते तिंगा सर डाउन झाले या मासे कार्ड. स्पीकर सर जायत कोडेन Magzusta सरकारान आमगेल्या वुमन रिजर्वेशन दिले आणि जायत कोडेन पंचायतीक लेला वुमन रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह बट किदा ते पंच हाव सरपंच हाव वो कोणते जिल्हा त्याच्या कोच्या तेंगा घरान तुले गो तेगे फॅमिली एंड चोल्डा तर कोते. जस्ट सी दैट ते तुम ग्रांटेड घेना का. जस्ट सी the one who is representing, they should work there, not their family members from they come and tell their dadagir kote. So just put these things in place. And with this I feel that this demand, whatever few things what I have told won't be repeated for the next session and we will fulfill. Thank you, Speaker sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Lectures, hangouts, late night reels, मस्ती वाले ये अपने wheels.
पहले प्यार की पहली राइड.
Slowly, slowly matching vibe.
Activa, Activa, Activa. First love बोले तो Activa. आओ करें try एक नया पाथ. Click your first, make your mark.
New friendship का पुराना यार. Let's go cruising in a new avatar. La 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 la. Smart key and smart away. Go freewheeling and fly away.
Activa, Activa, Activa.
First fight बोले तो Activa. Life को दो new start. Make a move in the world,
Go
baby.
like smart. हर मजे